Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a money read for you today. A lot of my subscribers have reached out requesting one, and I thought, yes, why not? We're all going through a huge money crunch, I think, with this COVID and people getting laid off. So let's see, because love and money are two things that we manifest, we attract, or we push away, right? So we have something to do with our own luck where money and love are concerned. So we've done a lot of love readings. Let's do one for money and see what are we doing to block it and how we can attract it, right? And what's happening with us at this point. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless Sagittarius with a reading for money and work for the month of August and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Sagittarius, here we are, good to go, and let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers. Your inputs are so valuable, and because of that input I'm doing this reading today, and tell me how it works out for you, and maybe we can include them in our at least one of the readings that we do monthly. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and if you're new here, do subscribe, join our little Omkara family. We meet here once a week for all kinds of readings now. So we have love readings, you and yours, monthly readings, and now money and work as well. So first card here, Sagittarius, is the Five of Swords. Not feeling at your best here, Aries. Sagittarius. Why did I say Aries? So not feeling at your very best. You feel you've been beaten down, and maybe in the past you were feeling very, very in control. You felt you had the world in your hands. You were feeling like the King of Wands, which is a Sagittarius energy, fire energy, right? And you felt totally in control of your life. You felt yes, everything is going well for you. There is enough abundance. There's enough, to go around. And you felt everything was balanced in your material life. But right now, Aries, yes, there was stability, a lot of stability in your life, Sagittarius, in the recent past, okay? Recent past could be last month, could be last year, or could be the last few years. Depends on each person's circumstance here, but the past was good. But right now, Sagittarius, I see you in the Five of Swords energy, which is in reverse. So somebody feeling depleted, basically. Feeling totally out of control, having no power, feeling all their strength and power has been taken away from them. And maybe because somebody walked away from your life. Somebody walked away from your life, and there was a disruption in your home or household or some long-term stability which brought in a lot of stagnancy into your life, Sagittarius. A lot of stagnancy came into your life after maybe somebody walked away from your life. Right now you are being very defensive here. Maybe you played a part in this, could be possible, or if people are coming towards you, saying things to you, or accusing you of something, you are being very defensive here and trying to kind of just ward off unnecessary energies which are coming towards you, because you're not feeling in control. Yeah, you're feeling all the growth in your life has stopped. Right? There's no more growth happening. You are feeling out of control. We have the Emperor in reverse and the Empress in reverse here, which means currently, Sagittarius, your past glory is not what you're feeling. Yes, you're just sitting here feeling very depressed. I'm sorry, Sagittarius. I don't know what's happened. We'll figure it out. You're looking forward now to something new. Yeah, you are trying to manifest something now new to come into your life, which will give you, that partnership, maybe looking for a equal partnership with someone. You're trying to see things from a higher perspective now, to see what else can I do. Whatever happened in the past is over and made me feel really low and down. But now you, in your present position, are now serving the land, right? Seeing which one should I now team up with, where can I have a good partnership, and what is the new thing that I can manifest in my life. So coming up for you is the Six of Cups. Now, Six of Cups, Sagittarius, is somebody coming back from your past. So, these are memories of your past. You are still in August, Sagittarius. I think, oh my God, Six of Cups is clarified by the Six of Cups. So, I see in the month of August, Sagittarius, you are trying to work on manifesting somebody back from your life, right? You feel all love is lost here, or you may have felt all love is lost here. This was something which gave you a lot of happiness. Some way, I think, Sagittarius, you're trying to resurrect that feeling. You're trying to work towards it and maybe try and have a brand new, like a rebirth in the situation, because this old situation made you very happy. In the past, you were very, very happy, and presently you're feeling out of control, not balanced, feeling everything is lost. But now I see in the month of August, you just keep thinking about the past, and you are manifesting, you're trying to somehow have a rebirth in what was, and all that was lost. Because that gave you a feeling of stability and a feeling of strength. Yeah, that made you feel strong and powerful. So let's see, Sagittarius, what is it that you are holding on to? Sagittarius, you're still holding on to a feeling that a reunion can give you happiness, or can give you money, or can give you profit, or something like that. You are totally stuck still on the past energy. Even though it seems that the past energy is over, you are still trying to, reach out and maybe manifest a reunion in the same dynamic. Maybe, I'm giving an example, like, some job that you had which you lost, and you're thinking, oh, that job was actually very good, and maybe let me go back and talk to the boss and see, if they would hire me again. Or this could be a partnership where, the partner kind of left you, and you had a break in the partnership, one person walked away, and now you're feeling that without that partnership you're not growing. So you're trying now very hard to kind of wish upon a star for a reunion, or to take some kind of a offer or manifest an offer from this past energy. So what is it that you should let go, Sagittarius? Four of Cups in reverse. So Sagittarius, right now, let go of feeling that, you're all depressed and you can't manifest it on your own. You have to be the master of your own game now, Sagittarius. You are capable of manifesting your own abundance, Spirit says. You have to let go of this feeling that I am, this victim mentality. Or I got left out in the cold, and I'm poor, or I don't have money, or whatever. You are sitting in this very depressive energy right now, it seems, and Spirit is saying it's time to let go of that, of any past energy which left you feeling in the lack, and try and be very, very clear and manifest abundance now for yourself, because that's totally possible. Concentrate, nurture your own work. And that will lead you to happiness, right? And if there is any self-pity going on, sometimes this card also represents somebody overindulging in alcohol or drugs or whatever, and sitting, and saying, oh, nothing is working out, so I'm just going to drink myself silly maybe. So Spirit is saying, let go of that kind of energy. Don't be in this depressive state anymore to think, oh, I got left out and now nothing is ever going to happen for me. So some of you could be, drowning your money troubles in alcohol maybe, okay? So Spirit is saying, please let go of this. This card also has so many cups. See, this person is just kind of sitting depressed here. So what's your biggest hurdle, Sagittarius? Your biggest hurdle, Sagittarius, is the Queen of Swords. Ace of Swords, one more, Spirit. Why is this? Very nice. Okay. Spirit is saying your biggest hurdle will be trying to manifest something with this person who walked away from your life. If you're trying in any way to, try any kind of trickery, any kind of mind manipulation to return, this partnership back to your life, or this person back to your life, or you're trying to go back to your life, this is going to be a hurdle, but because this person, the other person who was in your past, is now very strong, okay? They are very sure and very strong as to where their position is, and they may be a bit cutting to you. So Spirit is saying that may turn out to be a hurdle if you try and manifest this thing back. Yeah. Right now, it's time to now go out and be victorious on your own, Sagittarius. Okay? Don't let pride and ego of what has fallen through come in the middle of manifesting your own new beginning. Right? Maybe you feel that if you got this, say, this person back or this job back, you would regain your pride. But Spirit is saying if you walk that road, that's going to be a hurdle for you, because the other person seems very, very sharp and very strong, and they are not going to be taken in by this. So don't waste your time here. Let's see how people see you. People see you as the 10 of Cups. Yeah, people see you very happy, Sagittarius. They feel you're not confused, you are very sure, you have your ducks in a row, you're in a very good space. At least that's how you're coming across to people. Yeah, they see you single. They see you single and abundant and doing very well in your life, Sagittarius. So I don't know what's going on here, but the way you're coming across to people is that, hey, my job is good, all my pentacles are flowing in, I'm very happy, I have all my wishes come true, I'm in a very good space, and I'm not confused about anything or anyone anymore. So that's the impression you're giving off to people, which is a good thing. People don't need to know your business all the time, do they, Sagittarius? Yeah, the Sagittarius, even though you are feeling stuck here, right? Heart of Hearts, you know that the Wheel of Fortune is not moving right now. You're feeling rather stuck, but people are not understanding that, and they see you as being settled in a very happy space for yourself. So let's see what is Spirit's secret message for you. 8 of Wands in reverse. So Sagittarius, let's see, why is okay, one more card, Spirit. So many cards. No, Spirit, please, can I have one card at a time? One more card, Spirit, please. One card, please. Thank you. Okay, so Spirit is saying, whatever communication now you go with towards anyone, be very, very mindful, okay? Be very thoughtful as to what you're going to say and how you're going to say it, because every spoken word of yours will have consequences. If you go with any wrong conversation, Sagittarius, towards anyone, it can lead to disaster, okay? So be very mindful. Really think of if you are going towards anyone with any kind of communication. That is going to really help you in your money and your stability. Spirit also says if you've been going back and forth toward, the past, if it comes back and, maybe this, maybe that, whatever you've been juggling till now, Spirit is saying it's time to let that go. Just let it go. What is gone is in the past, okay? You have to now move forward in a very stable way for yourself. Right? Even if you have to start from scratch, Sagittarius, it's well worth it, because this past energy will not suit you very well. Okay, it's time to drop all this going back and forth totally and be on your new journey by yourself in finances and work. So let's take an angel blessing card for you, Sagittarius. Okay, very nice. For love and work. One more card, Spirit. Spirit says exactly the same thing as their advice was. Whatever communication you take towards anyone now, whether it's for a job or it's for any partnership, make sure your words are very sweet and kind, and don't compromise on that. Your communication skills are going to be very, very important, to manifest any kind of abundance of money and work for you. So don't compromise on your words, because your words hold a lot of power here, Sagittarius. And once you do that and you move forward, trust that everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be peaceful in your life. It may not be like what it was in the past immediately, but once you take this positive direction in your life, things are going to start working out in a very peaceful manner. So that's all I have for you right now, Sagittarius. The gist of it was, stop focusing on the past, and if you're feeling low and down, don't sit in self-pity, and just move forward with a positive frame of mind. So that's all I have for you. Take care, love and light, and till next time, namaste to all of you. Take care.